But I decided to have a good relationship with my hair because I have had so many toxic relationships to last me a lifetime. I'll be recreating a Pinterest hairstyle that I saw online because, as the saying go, if you cannot beat them, join them, baby. I don't know how this relates, but just act like it does. I'll be starting out like a professional by parting my hair first. My part is not clean, as you can see, like my uncertain educational life due to ASU strike. But at least I'm certain about the hairstyle that I'm doing on my hair. So after I was done with my two space spoons, I started braiding the front of my hair like I was a professional braider. Baha. Do you know you can change your looks by changing your hairstyle? That's lesson one of shape shifting. I learned this while trying to make men think I look different all the time. After the strenuous act of braiding, I decided to give my bun a little bit of shape. If I cannot have figure eight, my hairstyle should have figure eight, I beg. After rolling, bending, and pinning, I realized that I would only be stressed by my natural hair and nothing else. No man's sons to stress me except you're trying to make me look pretty. This was a really long process, I will admit, but it was really, really worth it at the end. My hairstyle is not complete without my beads. And there we have it, my hairstyle screaming fire and dollars when I have no money in my bank account. But there's a saying that goes, even though you don't have money today, at least have a cute hairstyle. And here you have it. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you like the way the sun is reflecting on my beautiful brown skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, share to friends and family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, buddies.